YouTube, what it do? All right, so we are headed to do some things, some stuff. And right now, first spot I'm about to hit is the car wash. Because as you're gonna see in a minute, this car is filthy. And yes, I'm always at the car wash because that's what happens when you live in a spot that I guess dust just lives in the air or something. But anyway,
at the next stop sign, turn left.
All right. Anyway, we get into it, people. So let's go ahead over here and see what will go down at the car wash. Yeah. All right, so we pretty much made it here. The thing is somewhere back there. Let you guys pretty much get what's going on. So after this, we're gonna head to this DMV. Then we'll go get us some food, people. So let's go. All right, people, so we made it out the car wash, and let me know in the comments, people, am I the only one that thinks those car washes is like extra sketchy? I just like don't trust something about it. I feel like I'm gonna crash in there or that something's gonna break or something like that. It's gonna break something on the car. Anyway, let's go into this DMV now. All right, YouTube, car nice and clean. It's time to go inside this DMV or figure something out because I don't know what's gonna go down. It's never nothing good when you go into the DMV though. It's always a hassle. So let's see how they hassle me around. All right, YouTube, so went to the DMV. Or actually, they just told me wait outside. They ran my information. Basically, I just wanted to see if there was anything on my record, any tickets or anything that could be on my name that I didn't know about. You know, I just like to stay ahead of things like that. But also, I lost my original ID, the hard copy, so I gotta get a new one. And mind you, my original one I lost was Cali, so now I gotta do a whole test and all this. So we're gonna do that another day. But right now, I got all the info I needed. Time to get some meat, people, so let's go. All right, YouTube, it's nighttime. We got done doing everything we had to do, and we made it here to Whataburger. So I'm not sure if I'm even in the mood for like trying out something new I haven't tried yet, or might just get something that I typically get, you know, and just call it a night, people. I probably won't even need to review it. I'll show you what I got. But it is New Year's. I don't know, you can't see the fireworks. They up there though. Yeah, all those booms. But anyway, people, let's get this food and wrap this up. Yeah. All right, YouTube, and we back from Whataburger. This is what I got. Well, in the store, obviously. Just went simple. Got just a burger, which is basically like their McDouble, and a fry, which are, I'll say, neck and neck with McDonald's fries. Yep. They got spicy, regular, ketchup, Modelo. But anyway, people, that's another one. I enjoy you guys keeping me company. Hope I did the same for you. And Happy New Year's, people. Until next time, deuces.